Hey, how's it going, people? It is the Hoff here, and today, as you see, I have something that you've probably already seen a ton of before, but if you like me, my content, want to help me out, then you can watch the video on unboxing the Xbox One X, and the next video that I should have will be coming in today's Sunday, so it should be here Wednesday delivered, and that is a brand new 4K TV from LG. Now, granted, it may not be the latest and biggest, best TV because unfortunately, unlike some people, I'm not partnered with LG, but you know, LG, if you want, or Xbox especially, y'all too, email's gonna be down below and Twitter's down below. If you want to contact me, contact information is there so we can maybe work stuff out for future videos, because I love having the best of the best, and right now Xbox is crushing it with the One X, and LG is killing it right now with OLED for 4K and Ultra HD content with HDR and everything. So without further ado, let us see what you get with the latest Xbox One X, which I pretty much have already got a good idea. So this best reason I got this was because my new TV obviously is 4K. It's going to be Ultra HD, HDR, all that good aspect stuff. And this is going to be able to do the Ultra HD Blu-rays, or 4K Blu-rays if you want to call them that. And so this is going to be the player for it. And then I can do the occasional gaming with it. And this is also upgradable, so it will always get updates, and if I want, I can get the Xbox membership for Xbox Live and be able to play various games and stuff. So as soon as you get it, you see you have this. So for those of us that buy it and did not get it from Xbox, you get the Xbox One information here, which says Xbox Gold, and it says play together, and it says that you get free Xbox Gold membership, and there's a code there. And then on the back it says experience the performance of the Xbox Elite wireless controller, where you can find out more on that, which I will be doing, but I don't think I'll go with the Elite controller. I'm probably going to get Philadelphia Eagles controller, since I'm a huge fan of the Philadelphia Eagles. So this next one is for the Xbox Game Pass, and I can get 1 month free of Xbox Game Pass, which has over 100 great games from what looks to be Xbox One games. And then it shows off the design lab, which I may look into, and getting a third controller that will be my main controller of a Philadelphia Eagles controller. Can never have too many controllers. And then this one just shows the basics of how to hook up your Xbox. Super easy, super simple. And I'm going to be using wireless mode, and it shows batteries and stuff in there and how to link and everything else. So too easy. If you have issues with yours, I can always assist you. Here we have what I believe will be the accessories. So you have a nice black HDMI cable that is able to do your 4K through it. It's high speed. Set that to the side, and then here we have protective foam, and we have the Xbox One controller, which, if I'm not mistaken, I believe the Xbox One controllers comes with batteries, and it's a different feel than my older Xbox controller. So this has more of a scuff on the back, compared to the original Xbox One controller, but the look is very similar on the front, and on the top it's just the back is scuffed, and I believe this one is able to do Bluetooth for a connection as well, which I will eventually have to test out. And then over here you have what gamers really liked, which this now is the new power supply for the Xbox One X version. So you just have this cable here and the plug side right there to go into your outlet. Too easy. And now putting this to the side, taking out the actual unit itself, and we'll stick the box to the ground. The foam piece and the foam piece here, carefully keeping everything just in case. It is all nice and taped up. The heck with keeping it all nice and taped up. I want to get to the glory that is 4K for movies. The gaming aspect, I have a PC, so I may not play a whole bunch of Xbox One X games unless they're exclusive to just the console itself. But here we have it. This is the console. You have USB on the front here. You have the ability right here to sync up your controllers. There is the Xbox button right there. You have a sensor right here that should be for media. The drive slot is right there for your disc. And then keeping with the style of Xbox, we have numerous ports here. So you have Ethernet port there, which if you're a gamer and you want to have extremely high speeds, low ping, and all the glory that comes with wired connection, you have the option there. You have your optical or S/PDIF slot right there for audio if you want digital audio out. You have a IR out if you want to be able to have the ability to put your Xbox somewhere else, and then you want to have the IR in front of where the screen is. So if this is going to be something that you have for a projector, then you have the option to put this in such like a closet and then have the IR sensor elsewhere. Then we have two high-speed USB right here ports, and then we have HDMI ports. You have one in if you want to be able to have some kind of content coming in, because this is the Xbox One X. As the Xbox One, it's tailored to be an all-in-one media control, not just for gaming. Then you have the out, and then right here you have the power. So there you have it. That is the Xbox One X in all of its glory. There is really nothing else to show on the system itself, and I will be talking with the Best Buy when they come to deliver my TV, and hopefully being able to do unboxing video and them setting it up for me. I could do it, but it came with free delivery, so I might as well utilize it while I can. And I hope you guys enjoy. And if anyone from the Xbox team hopefully wants to contact me, I will put all of my information down below. So hopefully I can get set up, because I'm a gamer at heart and I've been gaming since the days of Atari and Nintendo. So thank you guys for watching. as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and will enjoy the next video coming out shortly. And I will always try to keep more content for you guys. And once I can, I'll start the giveaways back up. Thanks.